Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to our next session. Today we'll do one of the exercise of Unit 4, that is Great Wall of China. We will do present perfect tense. I think you all must have done in grade 3 also, but let us revise. Action began in the past. What happens in the present perfect tense? Action that happens in the past, but it has an effect in the present also. Second is action happened in the past, but time is not specified. And what is the syntax of present perfect tense? Syntax of present perfect tense is subject plus has or have plus third form of verb. Verb in which form? Third form. Plus object. Right? This is your syntax. Like we take an example. The boy has kicked the ball. The boy is the subject here. Has kicked. Has kicked is has plus verb plus third form of verb. The ball is a object. This has kicked. This shows that the sentence is in present perfect tense. So let us do some more examples. Children, here are some more examples of present perfect tense. I have written a letter. So have written, have plus verb in third form. She has ordered a storybook. Has ordered. He has eaten all the fruits. Has eaten. Right, children? On page number 36. See on page number 36, exercise A. Which two words make up the present perfect tense in each sentence? Now, by seeing these examples, I hope you all can do it. But let's do it together. The Great Wall of China has formed a barrier for over 2200 years. So, what is the answer? What are you going to underline? Has formed. Second one, the gates have allowed people and goods to pass through. Again, same, have allowed. Third one, the Manchu have invaded China. So, have invaded. Isn't it easy? You just have to remember the syntax in mind. Has and have plus third form of verb is always a present perfect tense. Let's do this next exercise. These sentences are in simple present tense. Copy the sentences changing the underlined verb in each sentence into the present perfect tense. Now see the first one. See this first one, that is B. 1. 1 is already done. Let's do the second one. He describes how the wall was built. Now what will you change? You will change describes, that is a verb, into he describes will change into he has described right. Now second one, they stare in amazement. So it will be they have stared. I'm writing direct answers. Have stared. In amazement will be as it is. Right? I'm putting dot dot dot. They have stared in amazement. Third one. I hope you all can do it. The wall prevents invasions. The wall, it will be? The wall has or have? The wall has prevented. Has prevented. And remaining sentence will be as it is. The traitor allows the Manchu through the gate. The traitor has allowed. The traitor again has allowed. I'm talking about singular person. Traitor is singular. Has allowed. Has prevented. Have stared. Has described. So next is use these verbs in the present perfect tense. You also try using these verbs in present perfect tense. I will do first two with you. So children, in exercise C, I told you we'll write down the sentences to look. So first one is, I have done it for you. I have looked for my book everywhere. So have looked, here we are not mentioning the time. Important point about present perfect tense is that we don't have to mention the time. To stare, she has stared in anger. Third one, to describe, the teacher has described. The teacher has described all the parts of plant with a diagram. Now try doing the fourth one, that is to miss. To miss, you can write down I have missed the train, I have missed the bus. Right children? Do these sentences in your book itself. And the exercise related to present perfect tense, which is given in their workbook, also you have to do in your workbook. Rest, exercise A, B and C, do it in your book. Thank you and have a nice day.